everyone, and welcome back to the Inspire English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Whether you're listening while drinking coffee, driving to work, walking outside, or studying English at home, we're really happy you're here.
Yes, truly. Because today's episode is very special.
Very special and very important.
Today, we're talking about something that almost every English learner struggles with.
Something we hear again and again from our listeners. David, let me ask you something.
Sure.
Have you ever met someone who understands English very well? They can read, they can listen, they know grammar.
But when they try to speak?
They freeze?
Exactly. They stop. They think. They translate in their head.
And suddenly, the words disappear.
Yes, it's like their brain shuts down.
If that's you listening right now, let me tell you something very important.
You are not stupid.
You are not bad at English.
And you are not too old to learn.
What's happening is much simpler.
Your brain is just not trained yet.
Most English learners believe one big lie.
A very dangerous lie.
They believe that speaking English is about
Knowing more grammar,
memorizing more words.
studying harder.
But that's not the real problem.
The real problem is how your brain is working.
Exactly. Your brain is still working in your native language.
So every time you want to speak English, your brain does this.
First, think in your language. Second, translate. Third, check grammar. Fourth, panic.
And then, silence.
Or very slow English.
Or very broken English.
And then comes the worst part.
Fear.
Many learners tell us,
I know the answer, but I'm afraid to speak.
I'm scared people will laugh.
I don't want to make mistakes.
Let me say this clearly.
Mistakes are not the enemy.
Fear is the enemy.
Overthinking is the enemy.
And translating in your head is the enemy.
Let's talk about the brain for a moment.
Yes, but don't worry. No difficult science.
Just simple truth.
Your brain is like a muscle.
If you don't use it, it stays weak.
If you train it the wrong way, it learns the wrong habits.
And if you train it correctly,
It becomes automatic,
fluent.
natural. David, what does it mean to think in English?
It means that English comes to your mind without translation.
Like when you hear coffee,
You don't translate coffee in your head.
you see it.
You feel it.
That's thinking in English.
And the good news?
Anyone can learn this.
At any age.
Let's start with the first step.
This one is hard, but powerful.
Stop translating in your head,
Even if your English is not perfect.
even if your sentence is simple.
Simple English is better than silent perfection.
For example, instead of thinking,
How do I say this perfectly?
think.
How can I say this simply?
Many learners want to sound advanced.
But advanced English is not complicated English.
It's clear English.
Native speakers use simple words every day.
I'm tired.
I don't understand.
Can you help me?
Simple, powerful, natural.
Now let's talk about listening,
Because listening is how your brain learns patterns.
not grammar rules.
Patterns.
This is why podcasts are so powerful.
Like this one,
When you listen every day,
your brain starts to recognize rhythm,
intonation.
common phrases.
Let's talk about repetition,
Because repetition builds automatic speaking.
but not boring repetition.
Smart repetition.
Repeat phrases you hear.
Out loud.
Yes, even if you're alone.
Especially if you're alone.
For example, if you hear,
I'm working on improving my English.
pause the audio.
Repeat it.
Change it.
I'm working on improving my speaking.
This might sound strange.
But it's one of the best techniques.
Talk to yourself in English.
In the shower,
While walking,
while cooking,
describe what you're doing.
I'm making coffee.
I'm checking my phone.
I'm feeling tired today.
If you're listening to this podcast,
You're already training your brain,
you're already improving.
even if you don't feel it yet.
Progress is happening quietly.
Just like muscle growth.
David, do you remember the message we received last month? Yes. From the listener who said, I was afraid to speak English for 10 years. He said he understood everything, but never spoke until he started listening every day, repeating, thinking in English. And one day, he spoke without fear. If there's one thing we want you to remember today,
Your brain can change,
your English can improve.
and fluency is a skill, not a talent.
Stay with us.
Because in the next part,
We'll talk about daily routines
mental exercises,
and how to sound natural when you speak. Before we finish today, remember this. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent and brave.
Every time you listen, every time you repeat, and every time you think in English, you're training your brain and moving closer to fluency.
If this podcast helped you even a little, please support us.
Subscribe to Inspire English Podcast, like this episode, and share it with someone who's learning English like you.
Thank you for listening, and never stop believing in your progress.